Alright, so we are crossing on I-290 of Illinois Highway, so right now we see that red truck that's coming right towards, and it's not perfectly backed up or something.
It's jackknifed.
It's jackknifed. I'm not sure how I'm supposed to take a view on that, but we're getting closer to this.
Steven, that's crazy what happened, isn't it? Look at that. Look at Steve. Well, we should be going quickly after this. Oh. Oh. Don't go too quick. Be careful.
So I'm supposed to, once we're going, keep it straight. I'll take a view on this side too once we're going again.
That's right, cutie patootie. That's right. Wow, Steven. Isn't that terrible? Look at that.
2 police cops and 1 truck crashed right through the middle of the road.
Oh gosh, that's scary. I feel sorry for the guy. He must have been terrified. He must have been terrified.
Not much you can do, just hold on and pray.
Yeah.
That is a classic jackknife.
Wow, right? That's very scary. I would think I'd be on the other.
And there's probably the culprit deposited. These 2 little cars.
Oh gosh, it wasn't even the truck's fault.
Alright, I think that's the
He
end.
just slammed on